Sejin, congratulations. Last year it was Olympic silver, and here, more history for your career. It's your first World Cup gold medal. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling just fine. I mean, it'll hit eventually. Just coming out, doing my job, so.
And after the high of last year, I guess, with the Paris Games, then a bit of a break before the World Cup season starting, is it nice to be back out here up and running again?
Yeah, absolutely. Like, I wasn't sure if I was ready, and then yesterday, it just like a light switch went off. I'm like, the compete mode really started. So I'm happy I made my goals. I wanted to make a final and do well in it. So now it's just kind of up and up, so.
Yeah, that light switch really did seem to be switched on, for us at least. You seem to be pretty comfortable out there in the prone. You had the highest series, 3 times, and in the standing, I mean, in the end, I think it was a 1.9 difference between you and Dustad in second. Did you feel comfortable?
Not on my feet, no. That's something that I continue to work on. But in slings, yes, the wind got a little tricky at one point, and I tried to wait it out. I was like, oh, I'll just shoot it, and it bit me. But overall, the conditions made it an enjoyable match. You had to be on key. So.
Yeah, well, congratulations, Sejin. Gold medal. Enjoy the podium. Thank you for talking to me.
Thanks for having me. Yep.